Hey, what's up guys? Welcome back to our channel. This is Bo's mom here and this is my son Bo. So Bodhi is half Japanese, quarter Mexican, and then quarter is all kinds of European descent. So there's, I believe, Scottish blood, British, Finnish, and Swedish. That's from my husband's mom's side, and so he's all kinds of mixture, aren't you? Are you a melting pot? Yeah. But anyhow, we have no other reason nowadays to dress up other than to make YouTube videos. So this is actually a beautiful little outfit, a Japanese outfit that I got for Bo. I wanted to get it for May 5th, which is in Japan it's Boys Day or Children's Day. This is from Etsy. Today I wanted to share a little trick that we came up with as a pee cover for when we change Bo, especially for boys when they're newborns. They don't know how to control their pee-pee flow. But I looked around myself, I researched trying to find any different idea. One of the ideas or the product was this pee cover cone thing. It's a little cloth cone that you would put on their pee-pee area. The criticism basically was that it wouldn't stay in place, so you get showered anyway, and that's it. So I didn't get it. Most people recommended using rags to cover, so that's kind of where my idea came from. And so one of our bed sheets got ripped, and we took that old sheet, cut it up into little squares, and put them in this Kleenex box that I have. This is just a regular Kleenex box, and I hot glue gunned burlap string. And so inside, put a bunch of these old rags, just cut up roughly in pieces. So every time we change him, we would first make sure to cover his pee-pee with this, and when he does go, you don't get sprayed, obviously, so it's really great. It will probably soil his clothes, but that's it. And you know, you just have to change his clothes, but you know, at the end of the day, I think it's a win if you don't get sprayed and you having to change your clothes as well. During the newborn days, you'll probably have some poop action, projectile poop, diarrhea, whatever, and this will save you from that. Once it's soiled pretty badly, you can go ahead and chuck it, or if it's just couple spots, just throw it in the hamper and wash it and reuse. If you have your own idea to protect yourself, leave me a comment down below. So yeah, I would love to learn, because truly I watched many videos and I really couldn't find anything else. So this is Bo's changing station. The Hatch Baby scale changing table, which is awesome, especially when he was a newborn. We checked his weight every day, make sure he was on track. Baby wipe warmer, which really saved us, because every time we wiped him when he was a newborn, he would start crying, probably because it was so cold, or he can't do without this. It's the butt paste. I'm sure everybody knows about this, but if you don't, Bo has never had a rash, diaper rash, thanks to this butt paste. All the links are down below. And this one is Baby Organics sanitizer. It's alcohol free and fragrance free. And this is where I have the rags. This actually is from IKEA, the bookcase from IKEA, and we bought these drawers. So per cube there's 2. So there's diapers in here. All the clothes are in here. And then this is his medicine. You know, medicine drawer. It's a mess right now, but then we got his toys and blankets and towels, extra diapers and baby wipes, some books. So it works for us. For now, it was a good solution, good height. So anyhow, thought I'd share that. So that's it for today, guys. Thank you so much for watching. Bye bye.